Let's go through and figure out how to do S24 in Algebra 1, point slope form, write an equation from a graph. So this red dot means that's the point they want us to choose. So when finding my point, that's the one I'm going to pick. Even though I have many more points I could choose from, they want that one. So let's figure that out. That's negative 60 and negative 50. So y corresponds to the negative 50 and the x corresponds to the negative 60. So I type those in. Now I need my slope. So I have to find out where else does my line go through the corner of a box. And that's right there. So it goes up 10 and over 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 10 over 50 is 1/5. Here, that point looks like it's negative 50, 60. So 60 corresponds to the y, negative 50 corresponds to the x. Now I have to find another point it goes through. That point's right there. So how do I get from there to there? Well, I go down 10, and I go over 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So down 10 is negative 10, and over 50, okay? But I need to write it in smallest terms, so I divide out the tens, and I get negative 1/5. Now let's go to this one. That point looks like it's negative 600, negative 200. So y is negative 200 and x is negative 600. Now I need to figure out my slope. So there's my point I'm going to choose. I'm going to go from here to there. So I go up 100, 200, 300, 400, and I go over 100. 400 over 100 is simply 4. So that point is 900, 900. So y is 900 and x is 900. Now I have to figure out my slope. But notice my slope, if I go this way, goes off the page. So I got to work backwards this way. So let's go from there to there. Work from left to right. So I go up 100 and I go over 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So 100 over 600. So 100 over 600, I can't enter my answer like that. I have to reduce it. So I divide out 100s, and I get 1/6. Okay, let's do this last one here. So that's negative 90 and 10. So y corresponds to the 10, x corresponds to the negative 90. Now the x, to go up, or the slope, I have to find another point. So I'm going to find out that it goes through the corner of a box right there. That goes up 10 and over 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay? So again, it went up 10 and over 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 10 over 70 is 1/7. All right, so that's all you got to do for these, okay? Reach out if you have any questions or need help.